I just finished this fascinating Reuge double singing bird cage. This is a vintage piece, and it was actually crafted in March of 1969. That was the date that was handwritten on the wood and leather bellows. Let's hear it play. As you can see, the automation is perfect. The birds rotate their heads left to right. Their bodies also rotate left and right. Their beak opens and closes, and their tail flutters up and down. I'm going to put this to the pause feature. And the pause feature is always a good test to make sure that the bellows are working excellent. The bluebird is really gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to put it back to continuous. Wait. Okay. So I went through everything, fully serviced. The birds sing with full voice, hitting all the proper oscillating notes, yet the mechanism runs smoothly and quietly. Gorgeous vintage Reuge double singing bird cage. Turn this off. And then to wind it, see there's the winding key right there. Turn this so you can see. Now the mainspring is also nice and smooth and strong. In summary, excellent bird cage. Take care.